This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the About Phone category over here, and the following About Phone Specifications page provides you with an exact amount of RAM capacity that you have over here. In my case, that's 4 GB of built-in hardware physical random access memory modules, or well, modules worth of this many or this much RAM, as well as 3 additional gigabytes of virtual RAM that I have enabled through the RAM extension feature that we have a whole separate video about, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. But as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.